Afternoon again, everybody. Yeah, once again back at Lavender Hill Magistrates Court. This time for a BMW driver I caught on High Street, Kensington. She decided to defend her case. It was quite interesting, really, in that her defense was that the phone fell off her dash mount, including the mount, and she picked it up and it lit up inadvertently before she moved it aside. Anyway, based on the video and my evidence showing her gesturing at least 3 times upon the screen being lit up, the magistrates were having none of it, and they found her guilty. So I think that the sum was £400 fine, 160 costs, 160 surcharge and £400 cost. And yeah, you know, she had a few questions for me. She wondered why I obscured the camera when the traffic light turned green. As you guys all know, it's just me hitting the highlights on the GoPro. So other than that, yeah, pretty straightforward case. I'm not going to give her name. She's a relatively ordinary citizen, and none of her details are of matter. So it's only if someone were to assault me or someone famous that the name will come out. Oh, and when I went to say to the defendant after court, look, it's not personal, but her and somebody I assume to be her father, I don't know, and they were like, we don't want to talk to you, and she held up her like briefcase to block her view of me. So I thought that was a bit funny, but anyway, I mean, she's entitled to hate me. It's still not personal. I don't hate her. I wish her the best. She had a clean license, so she's not a totter. To be honest, if I'd been in her place, I'd have just taken the FBN. But maybe I have a bit more experience in seeing what is likely to be prosecuted and what isn't. All right, have a good week, everyone. Ciao. Yep, definitely using her phone. Picking it up again. Didn't notice the lights have changed, which is why people beeped at her. Black BMW X6, Lima Victor 17, Foxtrot Sierra Oscar.
Another one bites the dust.